Chandri. I am studying UKG in Tiger section. Today I tell Kalabhairavashtakam Devaraja Seryamana Pavanam Vipankajam Yala Yajna Sutram Indusekaram Drupakaram Naradadi Yogirundavam Vitam Digambaram Kashika Puradinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje Banukoti Baswaram Babditarakam Param Neelakantam Vitsitarthadayakam Lilochanam Kalakalamambushakshamakshasuram Kashika Puradinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje Shulatankapasadandapanimādikaranam Shyamakaya Adidevam Niramaya Bhima Vikramam Prem Vijirtatanam Apriyam Kashika Puradinata Kalabhairam Bhaje Mukti Muktidayakam Vedachacharu Vigraham Bhattavatsam Titam Samastaloka Vigraham Vinikranam Manoknahayam Kinkinila Sattadim Kashika Puradinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje Dhammasetu Balakam Tadannamaganashakam Karmapashamochakam Shishanmadayakam Vibhu Swarnavannakeshapashachobitangamandalam Kashika Puradinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje Ratnapaduka Pravariramapādayudnam Icchavaditiyamistadayotam Niranjanam Muttidarpanāchanam Kalaladamshtamokshanam Kashika Puradinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje Attahasa Vinna Padmajannakosha Santati Pushtipata Nashta Papajala Mujjasasanam Assa Siddhikadayakam Kapalamalikadanam Kashika Puradinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje Bhuta Sanganayakam Vishalakirtidayakam Kashivasiloka Punya Papa Shodakam Iti Marga Kovidam Puradanam Jagatpatim Kashika Puradinata Kalabhairavam Bhaje Kalabhairavashtakam Paramniyeganoharam Nana Mukti Sadakam Vijitra Punya Vardhanam Shokamo